Greetings in the name of the Mosiah. It's your boy King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And right now I just entered a trade on Mara. Let's see, let me make this bigger here. Alright, boom, 2 minute chart. Let's go to the 60 minute. Or let's go to the daily. Let's do a top-down analysis. So right now we are in consolidation right here in this bear flag. We're looking like we found a bottom at VWAP, and we could possibly be in a reversal right now. So I'm taking an early stab at that. You see we get a nice push up here, big sell off, found some support right here. Now we're pushing up. The volume is low though. That's the only thing I'm looking at right now. Although on the lower time frame, which like the 30 minute right now, you can see volume is kind of pushing above these two candles here, which was kind of like the bottom in here at R2. Now these candles pushing up, we're getting some increase in volume, so that's good. Come down to the 15 minute. We had this push up in volume, but then we fell off a little bit. That's not good because we're getting a nice like push up, big engulfing candles, so we should get engulfing volume to match. We don't want things to be out of sync, you know. Alright, so down to the 2 minute chart. You see we had the breakout right here. I took the break of R2, and now we just want the continuation, you know. This is the kind of play that you don't really want too much pullbacks. You want the follow through. If you see the momentum is increasing, I want to see that momentum keep increasing, you know. And let me show you guys something. Since we on cryptocurrency, let's see where we at. So yesterday I took my first cryptocurrency trade. So I'm gonna show you all that right now. Let's see on the 1 hour chart. So I've been waiting for Dogecoin to find a bottom for a little while now. So as you can see, we've been just pushing down after this. After it peaking out here, we've been on a steady decline, had a big dip, found some support, pushed up, and we just kind of found some support here again. We retested this area, found some support below S2, above S3, and now we looking to push up. So yesterday we had this dip off here, had this push up, had this bull flag, and then we had the break of the bull flag. So you see my strategies are kind of, it's simple, man. It's like I like consolidations and then the break of it, and I take the break of it, right? So this sideways movement here, took the break of it here, entered at 32134,130, and now we just let me see, let me pull out the arrow. And now we're just hovering above my entry right here. Kind of broke above R1, pull back, retest my entry. So it looks like my this is a level right here. My entry level right here, this white line, it looks to be support. So right now with Mara pushing up, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Right, so Bitcoin, it's kind of like the same pattern. We having the push up, the break of the consolidation here, break of the consolidation, push up, holding above R1. If you look at Doge, kind of trying to hold above R1 as well. So yeah, same kind of pattern with Bitcoin. Probably form a bottom right here, double bottom, hit here once, boom, come back, hit, make it a higher low, boom, and we should get like a nice push up at least to R4. You know what I'm saying? And for those, you know, I mean, I got my I'm willing to hold it, so you see it's all the way to the top. You know what I mean? My take profit is all the way to the top. All right, let me lock that so it doesn't move. Right. So yeah, let's go back to Mara and see what's up, because it's looking like Bitcoin is doing well right now. It's about to reverse. So right, we're getting some push up here. My target is 2276. I'm willing to advance that take profit. Let's see. Let's look at the level 2. I've been reading tape readings, studies in tape reading by Richard Wyckoff. So you gotta pay attention to the level 2 and see what's up. See, the bids is light. Offers is kind of stacking up a little bit. They just got taken out. So we need some bidders to come in here to push this price up, because if the bid, which is supposed to be supporting the price, is hollow, that means the price is gonna fall through. You know what I'm saying? Because the next support we got here is 22.25, and we at 22.32. So we need this to start stacking up to get some interest going in it. You know what I'm saying? And we see on the time and sales here, they're hitting in between, and the offers is in red, the bids is in green, and in between is white. So we need some activity on the bid to come in here. That's why we're getting this this pullback, because the bid is a little weak. See, I got my stop below here. This dark red line, that's the pre-market high, I believe. So I'm right below the pre-market high. We just broke pre-market high, so this is a good place for buyers to come in. The volume accelerated a lot, so right now we're doing roughly like 109,000 shares every 2 minutes. So that's good. We got volume for the day at 14,298,250 14,300,892. Shit is going too fast for me to read it. Right, so we got some bids here. You see they're stacking up at 30. We're starting to get some double figures. That's what you want to see. So now we could start getting some move up off of the 30-cent area. Cause we gotta break this next area, this $0.50 here at 50 cents. We gotta push up on that with good volume. We need buyers to be coming in. You see, we lost that 30-cent level here, back down to 27. Support is supposed to be at 22.19 for the top of this level right here. We got some bids getting hit right here at 22.27. Some above the ask got hit here at 22.29. We need some support on the bid, or else this is gonna pull back a little bit. And if you're looking at the 15-minute, that's something like a double top right now, so we gotta be cautious. this is where I start thinking about managing my risk. The volume is pulling back, the pullback volume is low, so that's good. And now we're getting some support here. We're back at the 30 cent level on the bid, so that's looking good. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna add to my position. Right, since we hold in this 30 cent level, I entered at 27. We're doing a little pullback. I'm gonna enter in again at 33. And on the break of this level here at 22.43. Right, I'm gonna set me another add to my position at 22.43. And we gonna take a nice little scalp up to like 22.80. So I'm gonna set my stop right here, my take profit right here at 22.77. And let's see how we do. Again, the only thing we gotta watch out for is the double top resistance right here. Let's see, we're gonna pull out a fib. See, we broke out of this is the 61% level here. Don't mind these, they're kinda back to front. 61 is supposed to be up here. This is the 50, this is the 38%. So we're way above. My stop is below the 61% level. We're kind of pushing off of that level on the fib. And let's pull another fib from the low. See how it's looking there. To where we at right now. Let me remove this first fib right here. Oh man. Right, so we pull in a fib from here to the top to see where it might retrace to. So 61% here. My stop is it's above the 61% level, so right now I'm banking on this level here to keep me safe, or else I'd have to move down to 21.87. I ain't really trying to risk that on no Bitcoin, no Mara moves. You know, Bitcoin is kind of crazy, it could do anything, so we ain't trying to risk much or widen stops. This is what it is. So we're watching right now. We're back to our entry level. We ain't got no bids coming in. That's the problem right here. And we got volume falling off, but this is the pullback anyway. But still, we had this volume increase right here on this push down to the 20 EMA 2219. Let's see what it does when it comes back to this level here. This is the volume pointer control line. We had the R4 here too as well. Just notice that. So you see, a lot of times you really gotta be looking at the chart, because a lot of things you just don't notice. It just, you know, you're looking right at it, but it's different little points you gotta look at. You're looking at the level 2 bids, you're looking at the time and sales, you're looking at the levels here, your volume point of control, this lavender line right here. You're looking at the EMAs that's getting touched, that's holding as support. You're drawing fib lines, seeing where your levels are compared to price. Looking at VWAP right here. If it comes back to VWAP, you could get me out. And then we have R4. You see, it's a kind of like a little rejection, a break above R4 and a pullback below. So it's a lot of different factors for that you gotta look at, you know, and constantly making decisions. Do I want to risk this entire stop loss, or just risk the break of this level right here, which the top here, resistance becomes support, so it lines up with the 20, this blue line right here. Do I want to risk anything below that? You know, these are the questions you have to ask yourself. We got big offers here at the 50-cent level. We just gotta get the bid to push up a little bit so we could get to the offers, you know. We have a lot of offers here at all around my target level. So we could get a push. You see, look at this big offer here at 23. We need to get to 23, man. You gotta watch the time as well. It's 2:43. So you see, time is running out in the day. We basically got 1 more hour. And with that big, I'm gonna take profit at 22.99.98. Just discovering that big offer right there. He could pull some prices up to this level. If everybody sees, the buyer sees there is supply up here, we could get up to there. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. See my Doge play right here. We're doing the bull flag right now, right above my entry. Let's see, go up to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin futures. So we're looking strong on the futures. Volume pulled off a little bit, but we're looking good. We're looking like we could break this here. So you see on Mara, it's a double top. Same thing right here. We need a break of this right here. We need volume to come in. You see, volume is higher around here. We need volume to come up to that level. Let's see, let me make an alert right here. Let's see if we break. If we get to this level, I want to alert. Right, so I set an alert right here for the break of the high. See, look at XLF, the financials looking good. Let's see with the SPY is looking real strong, so all of these things is looking good for a push up in the trade. Let me bring across the SPY right here so you can see the SPY is looking lovely right now, about to break all-time highs. 420. Is it all-time highs? Let me see. Nah. So all-time highs is 422, and we're looking strong. Volume a little low, but we're looking okay. See on the 15-minute right here, nice push up all day, went sideways a little bit, did a little dip, never even came back to VWAP, just broke high of day, boom, 419.69 or 68, and we just going. Broke 420. I think we could get to 421 today. Right, so we're coming back here to recapture 22.30 on the bid. I just need that bid to come in, man. These single figures right here. We need some action on the bid. And it's good to have some kind of confluence in your trading. Like, you know how I just entered Dogecoin last night, and now I'm trading Mara for the break. So that it's good for your mind, for mentally, you know, all your trades is in the same direction, you know. Got up to 34 cents on the bid. We just got like a double figure coming there. That's good. That got taken out. We up at 33. Dropping back to 32. We need some follow through on this, man. Let me take a check on Apple and see what Apple is doing, because the Qs is strong today. So let's see what Apple did today. Right, same thing, same as the SPY and the Qs. Pushed up. It's been a good day today. 125 to 127. $2 move, so it's cool. I like the 15-minute chart on Mara. It looks nice. Push up, pull back before the open, pushed up off the open, little pullback retest, and we should be off. For this pattern to end up perfect, we just need the break of this level right here with the high, this level right here. We have the little bull flag going on. All we need is the break, and as soon as we break, my buy limit order is right here. Boom, triggered in, and let's go to 22.98 or 23, and let's meet this guy up here. Right here on the offer, that 23 guy at 13.55. Let's go up there and meet him. We have a nice offer at 22.50. Let's go up and meet him as well. He got shares to go up. We are 24 minutes in the video right now. I think it's gonna be another long video, because I'ma hold this until I get my take profit. Pushing up on 22.36 right now. Some bids coming in. We're getting some support here, some double figures. Right, people are seeing that 30 is a nice structure forming at 30 right here. We get nice support, so the buyers is gonna come in. We're about to get triggered in on my my third entry. Right, right? So we triggered in on my third entry. I kind of like this 5 minute, this 15-minute chart. I like the information on it. I like the pattern. But we gotta go back down to like a more closer view. So we're gonna press up now on the 50 cent level, the $half level. You see the offer is coming up there. So we gotta get enough bids come in to clear out these offers so we could continue higher. Because if he can't get filled, that means that price can't go further. You know what I'm saying? We got some bids coming, some double figure bids coming in, dropping off a little bit. $44 on the bid. Watching this closely right here. Let's see what happens at $22.50. 431 shares. And you got to add 3 zeros to these numbers. So that's how you know how much shares it is. So that's actually 433,000. And so he's increasing his shares. He just put on like 2,000 shares on that, because he's seeing he's gonna get filled. The price is coming up to his level. He probably got in from the start. Like if he got in like right here, he's like, give me my profit right here, I'm good. So right, we're creeping up. He's increasing his shares. He just add on another 1,000. Oh, another guy came in right there. You see, another guy just jumped in right there. They all got taken out. So we're gonna push higher now. So there was enough buyers to cover that. And I think I'm gonna add to my position as well. At this 50 break, I'm gonna add to my position. Right, so I just added to my position right there. I think, let me see, okay, then my position got kind of big. All right, so let's see some management right here. Since we're pushing up here, I'm gonna trail my stop to around break even on these 2 lots right here. So we're covering these 2 lots, and with the break of that 50 cent level, I don't think we should come back down to like 33. I think it's gonna be okay. Even if it tests R4 is at 35, so it's kind of tight, but I think we're gonna get the breakout right now. You see the level 2 and the time and sales is kind of ignited. You see the character has changed a little bit. It's more active. Bids coming in at 22.48. My entry was at 22.49, and that was a market execution. Now what you gotta do, I gotta stomach the pullback. If we coming back here, we testing this 40 area. Right, so low volume on the pullback. Right, so I must sell two right here if it pulls back on me. I'm gonna sell these two and I'm gonna keep these two. At 21.97. Right, so I have two orders there. These two lots, I'm gonna keep this stop loss here. For these two lots, the stop loss is gonna be here. And we're finding some support right here at the R4. Volume pushing up for the wicks at the bottom, so we're getting some buying coming here. The volume increasing, and you see it's pushing up. I hope y'all can see that. I'm gonna give it till 27. Alright, we're getting some support here at the R4. The SPY did a little dip and now it's pushing up as well, so looks like the same thing is happening over here on Mara. Now I'm starting to think like that 50 cents rejection is a little too strong. But anyway, it could be normal fluctuation. You can't get the break every time without like a pullback, so we're pulling back 13 cents right now off of the 50 cents break. We're getting some bids coming in, that's good. We had some double figures that got taken out right there. This is looking weak. My two entries right here, they might get sold right here, because now we're breaking below the R4 a little bit. This is the volume pointer control line, so it's probably gonna come test that and it's gonna stop me out for those two entries right there. Hopefully we get that support at 30 again, that 30 cent level, and we push up off of that. Come on buyers, this is the spot right here. This is where we found support before, so let's get that again. Y'all come back in again. Right, so we got some action there. Some orders came in, the buyers came in right there. Some people hit the offers though, a lot of red. So people really wanted to get in, you know. We have a 25 on the offer right there. That's good. That got us back up to 36 on the bid. The offers is looking kind of thin though. I think we're gonna get this run up to 22.98, at least 23. But it's these fluctuations here, cause I'm looking at it teetering around this my stop right here, man, and I don't know. I guess we holding above this level. This 30 cent level, we holding above that. So the trader's gonna do what it's gonna do. Oh, we see on time and sales here, we had a big bid got taken out right here at 22.44. So we have some big support here, some big buyers coming in here. So alright, see we back over 40 cents, back down to 39 cents. So we're looking like we're holding that support right there. That 30 cents R4 20 EMA level. We're looking good around there. Right, so we're getting that pop again. People hitting the offers. You see in the red on the time and sales, they're jumping back in again. Those well, probably not market orders, but you know, they have their buy limit orders above the price. So buy limit should be getting hit. People who go in short, their stop should be getting hit. So we should get like a nice little pop. People who thought like the rejection of the 50 cent level was good for the short, we could clear out their stops right now. We're getting some bids coming in, a lot of green coming in on the time and sales. People bidding that 45 cents. Let's see what that 50 cents is about this time. Alright, so we up at 50 on the offer again. And the bids got hit at 50. People hitting the bid at 50. Oh, we're dropping back again. Hitting the bid at 49 again. We have a nice one at 21. Yeah, 21 right there for the 49. That got us over the offers want to go over 50 badly. Right, we're over 50 on the offer. They're hitting the bid at 22.49. People jumping in. Right now I want to see some red. Hit that offers. Hit the offer at 22.50. Show some desperation to get in. So forget the bid. Start hitting the offers. Because now we above 50 cents. Everybody's supposed to start getting some confidence. Yo, let's jump in. We're breaking. You know what I'm saying? for to get up to 23. That's the pandemonium I want to see, you know. Right now you see people hitting the bid at 22.55, hitting the offer at 22.55. That's the urgency you want to see. People scrambling to get in, so they're hitting the offered price. Yeah, give me that at 22.50. We got the bid hitting at 22.54.53. The offers they hitting at 22.55. We got in between at 54 on time and sales. So we're looking good. We're looking good for the push up. Now we gotta take out that high of day, all around that 2260 level. Yes, we hitting some offers again. 2257, 58. Nice. 2259 on the offers. Yeah, we are tracking clientele. People want to get in right now. They're seeing that 23 is possible. Right, and with this action happening here now, I'm gonna trail my stop up to 2360. And while I'm doing that, let me just switch over to the 60-minute. Go up to 2357. You see where we at over here? You see where that R4 is? You see where we at? We could possibly get up there, you know. So we see resistance levels here at 2332. Alright, so let's go to 2330. Alright, so that's the new take profit. And for these two lot size now, I'm gonna trail up my stop to break even. Hopefully I could get these to break even soon as well. If you get like up to 2280, I could get to break even. So we had a big offer right there at 2258, 336,000. We have nice volume coming in here, man. I just need that switch around right now. We getting some selling where we hit the all-time high. Now we just need that flip around in the volume. Just shoot up. We're getting that offer hit. That's nice. That's nice. 2254 people trying to get in. We have serious action down here at the 2270-60 area on the offers. 2280, 150,000. Nice offers sitting at 2255. They're sitting there too long. Let's see if you got taken out. 2254. It doesn't seem like they got taken out, you know, but maybe it got split up into these offers here. Anyway, we got 41 on the bid, 2252. A lot of offers coming in. This is looking real good for the push up. The way they're hitting those offers, that's beautiful, man. So we got the supply right here. We got the supply. So all we need is make sure demand comes in, and with the pushing up, technically, the demand will come in. See how we hitting the offers again while we pushing up. I'm gonna really get good at reading the tape and time and sales and stuff like that. I'm gonna get really good at this shit. Not blowing my own horn. It's just confidence in self. I have faith that the Most High is gonna bless me cognitively. You know what I'm saying? To be able to look at this and judge it properly. You know what I'm saying? Actually, if I put everything at break even right now, I'm in a nice profit right now. So my thing is I'm trying to build up my account. So maybe I should, let's see, for these right here, I'm a yeah, I'm gonna secure some profits, yo. Cause you really shouldn't trade your P&L, but let me see. I'm gonna go to 22.45, right, and 22.40. So I'm securing some profits, and I'm break evening some of these here. So these two range orders is broken into two. These two here, that's your stop loss. These two here, 22.45 is your stop loss. I really don't like to get cold feet or try and sabotage my profits by moving up these stops, but in trying to build up my account, sometimes you gotta maintain the scalp mentality to make sure you secure profits and keep building that P&L. You know what I'm saying? But right now, if I close out my profits right now, I'm in an excellent day. Today is a big green day because you see I'm adding these lot sizes as I move up. So right now my position is quite nice. Now if I could carry this position to my take profit at 23.30. Let's see, we only got like 30 minutes left. So that's another decision I have to make concerning time. I think yeah, I think this is a good decision. Let me just keep it here. If we stop out, I'ma just put, should I put two of them at 240 at 22.45, or let's see, do we have enough juice to break the high of day? Offer stacking up here at 22.67.73 area. SPY is looking like it's turning around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trail my stops up to 22.52, and we're gonna take our profits and go if it comes back, because the SPY right now is looking like it's turning around. So you gotta make these trade decisions, right? We looking like we're gonna pull back, right? So I'm stopped out here. So if we're doing this pullback at this time of day, I'm gonna just take my profits and leave. We good to go. Alright, y'all, it's your boy King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And we just secured our profits right there. Made the executive decision to keep the money in the bank. And you see now it's getting that sell off. The SPY is selling off, the Qs is selling off. So at this time at 317, people are looking to take their profits. They had a good day. People who bought around here, they had a good day, so why not take their profits if they see it's not breaking this high of day right here at 2264. And you gotta watch that as well. You can't just be greedy and like, damn, I want it to break, nah, you gotta come out when the time is right. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, it's your boy King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. Y'all trade safe and stay blessed.